Hi guys, you're watching Go IT Center and this video is going to be very important and very energetic. You know why? Because still we can use the Windows 10 without any enrollment into the ES2 program of Microsoft, or even if you are not getting any security update from the Microsoft. So no need to worry about that. I found a very good trick, and through which we can overcome these security updates. So we have to just install two tools and it will work out well for us. And even after doing these two techniques, you can use Windows 10 even till next 2 to 3 years. No need to worry about that. So in this video we will address that how we can prevent our computer from the hacker, and number two, how we can prevent our computer from the viruses, and how we can replace Windows Defender with the Bitdefender. So let's start. Now once you have Chrome this page, searching page, then you will have a first link. Then you have to click on that. Once you click on that, then you have to click onto the download. Then you have to click onto the GUI, and once you click onto the GUI, it will be downloaded instantly. You have to double click on it, then you have to hit next. So you can see that all the encryptions are already checked, and TLS 1.0, TLS 1.1, and these encryptions are already expired, and I guarantee you the same situation will be in your laptop. So your laptop will be highly vulnerable, and you have to take this step. It is very crucial, and your privacy literally on risk. So what you have to do, that you have to uncheck all these things, and then you have to keep checked TLS 1.2, and similarly, and rather than, because there's a lot of algorithms and it will definitely confuse you that which type of algorithm you have to choose and which type of not, because you are not sure that what are the updated algorithms. So you have to click onto the best practice. Once you click onto the best practice, you can see that only TLS 1.2 is selected, TLS 1.2, and only updated algorithms are selected. You can see that only updated algorithm are selected, and through this way forward you can secure your computer from the hackers attack. I'm not talking about the virus. Keep remember, cybersecurity not deals with the viruses, it deals with the introjans. So there is a difference between the cybersecurity and computer antiviruses. So means cybersecurity is basically talks about that somebody is going to steal your data. So 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 cybersecurity is a little different, and antiviruses concept is a little different. Although we considered always in cybersecurity antivirus as well, we should have a good antiviruses, but there is a difference in between two fields. So we have already selected the best practices, and you can see that only TLS 1.2, which is the valid, and it is currently going on into the world globally. So once we select the best practices, then we have to click onto the reboot, and then we have to apply. Then the system will be restarted, and respective uh, encryption will be applied on your system. So once the system is restarted, I will be back. So system has been restarted and encryption has been updated. Now we have to go for the antivirus, because the local Bitdefender of Windows 10 is no longer secure because you are not getting the security patches. So you have to download Bitdefender. Bitdefender is one of the finest antivirus and absolutely free. So you have to go for the Bitdefender official website, and then you have to click onto the official website, and then you have to download a free plan. Then you have to download, and it will be downloaded instantly. So once it is downloaded, then you have to simply double click on it, and the setup wizard will be appeared in front of you. And setup wizard will be appeared in front of you. Then we have to accept and agree and install. So installation will take time. So installation will take around 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to stop this video, and once installed, once we have the final wizard of Bitdefender, then I will resume this video. And obviously we need to create an account onto the Bitdefender as well. So Bitdefender has been installed. So now if you have already account, then you have to enter the account. It is absolutely free. Just you can log in it through your professional email address or Gmail or whatever you want. So let me create the account in front of you. Agreed, and then create account. So once we create the account, email will be sent to my email address, and I have to authenticate that. Continue with free. Finish. No need to authenticate, because earlier it was giving the option when I installed 1 month ago. So now this time it doesn't ask for the authenticate the email. So we have to create the account. Simply we have put all these information, and now the antivirus is being set up in front of you, and it will be done shortly. So once it is done, then you will have a final interface of antivirus, and then your computer will be secured, and means you are not relying on to the Bitdefender or built-in Bitdefender of Windows, because you are not getting the security updates. So you have to rely on to this. So it's done, and now the interface will appear in front of you, and it will show you that you are completely secure, you are absolutely safe. So you can scan your PC. So you can, once you click on that quick scan, so it will be scanned within 15 to 20 minutes, and all is good. So you have secured your computer from the hackers, you have secured your computers from the viruses. So all is good. Now you can keep running your Windows 10 on your laptop till the next 1 more year, or even till the next 2 years more. And obviously with the passage of time, you will get software compatibility issues, like if you install any latest software over the Windows 11. So obviously you always face the compatibility issues, but that issues will be appeared after the at least 2 years. So your computer is secure. This is the finest way forward, and one of the finest methods through which you can secure your computer, and you can keep running Windows 10 on your laptop. But if you want to switch on to the Windows 11, so it is also recommended, and I'm going to put the link in the description, so you can follow that, and you can easily upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 by keeping all the data same. Thank you very much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. Bye bye.